Hello, let's talk really quickly about what null pointer means. The typical scenario where you'll get a null pointer exception is if you have a variable that's supposed to contain an object, and you're trying to have that object run a particular method. But actually what's inside your variable is nothing because you haven't initialized it. So for example, let's pretend we have a point variable called p, but we haven't actually created a point instance. We haven't created a point object to save inside of p. So even though the variable p has been declared and it could be storing a point, what it's actually holding is a memory reference to null. It's holding a memory reference to nothing. So then if we get to a line that says p.getX, what this is literally saying is, let's follow the memory reference that's inside the p variable so that we can go to the p object, and then let's have that object run this method for us. But when we try and follow the memory reference inside p, it doesn't go anywhere because it points to null, and that's what null pointer means. So here's how you would typically fix it. If you actually initialize the variable using the constructor for the point object, you would create an instance. And so now the point variable contains a memory reference to the actual object that you've created. So then when you say p.getX, p follows that memory reference to your point object, and then the point object runs the getX method. So come back in the next video and we'll do some code tracing and kind of see how you can look at that in a cool example that a student sent.